Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome to the Forex Geek channel. If you are new here, you might want to subscribe if you have not done that yet, because we cover a lot of insightful topics in this channel, including Forex strategies, Forex indicators, and a whole lot of other topics that you're going to find really beneficial for your trading journey. Without further ado, we're just going to be getting right into what we have for this video. And in this video, we're going to be discussing a custom indicator known as the inside bar indicator. All right. Now, the inside bar indicator is a powerful tool for Forex traders, okay, because it automatically scans your chart for you to identify bullish and bearish inside bar candlestick patterns, okay. So that is what makes the indicator really unique. All right. Now, these patterns can be traded in both bullish and bearish market conditions, so it provides flexibility for a wide range of strategies. This indicator needs to be downloaded from an external source because it's not readily available on the MetaTrader terminal. So you will have to download it and then add it to your indicators folder so that you can be able to load it on your chart. So now I'm just going to be loading the indicator on my chart because I have already downloaded the indicator. Okay, so this is the inside bar indicator. Okay, this is how the indicator looks like. Now, if you are a fan of inside bars, then you might find this indicator really beneficial. Okay. Once you load the indicator on your chart, you can see how it just appears with the green lines and the red lines straight away. Okay. Traders can maximize the effectiveness of this indicator by combining it with price action analysis, to confirm patterns and execute trades confidently. All right. And it's important for you to know that this indicator actually works seamlessly across all intraday time frames, as well as daily, weekly, and monthly charts. Okay, so it's suitable for various trading styles. All right. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics or an experienced trader refining your strategy, the inside bar indicator is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Okay. Now, inside bar is a popular strategy, right? It actually revolves around identifying the trade and trading the inside bar candlestick pattern. Okay, and these are the patterns that are automatically identified by this inside bar indicator. Now, this pattern actually occurs when a candle sticks high and low are entirely within the range of the preceding candlestick. Okay, so we can see now that this is what we call an inside bar. The high and the low are entirely within the range of this previous candlestick, and same with this. The high and the low are entirely within the range of this previous candlestick, and same with this, and same with this. So this indicator automatically identifies inside bar candlestick patterns for you. All right, you can see same with this, same with this, right? Same with this, same with this. So now, inside bars actually indicate a temporary market pause as traders wait for a catalyst. All right, the breakout direction often aligns with the prevailing trend. So how to trade inside bars is that after the inside bar has been identified, the indicator is going to identify them for you automatically. When you have a breakout in one direction, just like after the indicator has identified this for you, right? And you have a breakout in one direction, just watch out for a confirmation in that direction, because you would likely have the price continue in that direction, especially if it's in the direction of the trend. So I'm going to recommend looking for breakouts in the direction of the trend alone. All right. Do not trade against the trend when you are using the inside bar strategy. Okay. It might be more risky. Okay. So this is a bullish trend. We have identified that this is a bullish trend, right? The first thing you should do is to identify the trend. And we have seen that this is a bullish trend. Now, secondly, when the indicator has displayed an inside bar candlestick pattern for you, wait for a breakout in the direction of the trend. If a breakout occurs against the trend, like what happened here, can you see that this breakout occurred against the trend, but shortly afterward, you see the price is going back up because this is a bullish trend. All right. So when you have a breakout against the trend, use that as an opportunity to look for a bullish entry. unless if a reversal is confirmed, perhaps by a reversal candlestick pattern or a chart pattern or something else confirms a reversal. If not, look for a trade in the direction of the trend. All right, it is much safer that way. Okay. Now, as for a bullish setup, a breakout above the mother bar's high suggests bullish momentum. Then for a bearish setup, a breakout below the mother bar's low signals bearish momentum. Okay, now it's important that you confirm breakouts by observing volume. So I'm just going to be adding the volume indicator to this chart because volumes can actually be very beneficial, okay, when it comes to trading inside bar patterns, because an increase in volume can signify, increasing momentum in that direction. So when you have a breakout from the inside bar pattern, you note the volume change. Okay, if there was a significant increase, then you might enter a trade in the direction of that breakout, most especially in the direction of the trend. Okay, now when you are even using this pattern, in addition to confirming with volumes indicator, all right, I'm going to recommend that you confirm with volumes indicator. Okay, check for volume spikes. You can also add other indicators such as the moving averages or the MACD or stochastics or RSI, just for additional confirmation. All right, you might want to use other indicators to confirm your entries and your exits that you get from the breakouts. All right, the entries and your exit that you get from the breakout. Now, using moving averages, we can see that the moving average is already showing that this is a bullish trend. So ideally, you should be looking for only buy opportunities, unless if you have a bearish breakout, you have a change in structure, right? If you have a bearish reversal pattern forming, or you have, price break below the moving average or break below the trend line, or, if you are making use of horizontal support and resistance levels, also you have price break below the horizontal support level or resistance level, as the case may be, then that is when you can now start looking for, trade opportunities in the direction of the newly formed trend, unless focus on the ongoing trend, okay, to preserve your funds, all right, because you have a higher chance of your take profit being hidden if you are trading in the direction of the trend. So that is it for this strategy. It's quite an easy strategy to make use of, all right. But now some key tips for inside bar trading is avoid trading inside bars during low volatility periods, okay? Just like before major news events, try as much as possible to focus more during periods of higher volatility, okay, if you want to trade inside bars. And now inside bar setups in trading markets are generally more reliable, okay? Like I already said, trade in the direction of the trend. Trending markets are more reliable, okay, when you're trading inside bars. And then finally, always assess the risk to reward ratio before entering a trade. Very, very important. If you are risking $1, your potential profit should be a minimum of $2. That's going to be a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Okay, it's very important. All right. So by understanding how to recognize and trade inside bars effectively and making use of the inside bar indicator, okay, this indicator automatically identifies these inside bar candlestick patterns for you. So all you just have to do is to trade the inside bar candlestick patterns, okay? Just trade the patterns, identify, confirmations, and then you are good to go, okay? So I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.